on, kids, let's ride the train. Through the colors, through the rain. Toot toot goes the whistle loud. The color train is fun and proud. Come ride the color train, choo choo go. So many colors in a row. Animals and friends will see, learning colors happily.
Look at the red fox jump with glee, running round so happily. Red apples, red balloons, red like a dancing cartoon.
Here comes the blue dolphin, splash and play, swimming through a bubbly bay. Blue skies and blueberry pie, let's wave the blue flag high.
The green frog hops on the track, ribbit, ribbit, jumping back. Green grass, green peas too, green is fresh and cool for you.
A yellow duck says quack, 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 waddling down the sunny track.
Yellow sun and lemon so sweet, yellow makes our train complete.
The purple butterfly flaps its wings, flying fast while the train sings. Purple grapes and royal fun, purple shines just like the sun.
Orange tiger with a stripy tail, roaring softly down the rail. Orange juice and pumpkins bright,
Orange glows in morning light. Team white screaming down the console golf, made full of cheer. White clouds two ways to play, one say are such a king too while I play. Cuppings loose and whitey's guy, white are clatter trains too. Pink ice cream in a cone so tall, let's all have a pinky ball. Pink flowers and candy sweet, pink parade is such a treat. Rainbow colors all around, dancing lights on the ground. Pink, red and green and purple too, every color's here for you. Guess the color, what do you see? It's yellow, green, or maybe pinky. Clap your hands and show your colors, hip hooray! Come ride the color train, choo-choo go. We've learned colors now, you know. Wave goodbye and sing along. Color train is our happy song. Chugga-chugga, off we glide. Thanks for coming on the ride. See you soon, don't be late. The color train is